It's January and we are working in the garden. I want to get a jump start on all of our spring planting, get everything prepped and ready to go. I wanted to talk a little bit more about our big ideas for our yard because we do want it to be as self-sustainable as possible, and we really want to grow as many fruits, vegetables as we can. So with that in mind, we are taking out all of these trees because several reasons. One of the main reasons is that the roots are growing into the neighbors' properties and they're not happy about it. And secondly, they're not very deep rooted and they are very dangerous. We've already had a couple incidents where branches, big heavy branches have broken, and last year that tree right there, that one right there, broke in half and landed on our roof of the house, and it was terrible. So that's two of the main reasons that they need to go. So you saw the one tree go down, and we're going to try to take these two trees out right here by ourselves. They shouldn't be that hard before we do our planting. And the trees back there, we're gonna have to get a company to come and do them likely. So, but all of this, we have, I think, a little over half an acre, I think, and which is plenty of room. We want to do some vertical gardening and add to the garden that we have already and do some above ground beds. So it's a process, but we are excited to get started, or to keep going. We already have our small garden going, and we just want to keep adding and keep making it better and see how much we can produce out of as much space that we have. We went to the dump yesterday to take a bunch of stuff, and someone dumped this children's playhouse, and there's really, well, a lot of it was broken up, but there was a lot of good pieces still, and so we collected what we wanted, and we're gonna make a new little chicken coop just for a couple chickens. So this is the roof piece. It's really good. It only has a couple missing pieces on the side. Then we got a couple big pieces of, like, this is a big floor piece and a little ladder, and a couple big pieces like this that are fully functional. We're gonna do something out of them. And then a bunch of single pieces, and it's all redwood, so it's in excellent condition and really good wood. We can't wait to make this into our little chicken coop. Beautiful day today. I want to try to get something going here outside, and it's about 55 degrees, so it's not that bad. So let's see what we can get done in a little bit of time before the baby freaks out. Here's the chicken wire that we have to put down on the ground because we have a lot of gophers in this area, and last season I planted some tulips out front and only a couple of them came up and bloomed and all the rest were eaten by the gophers. We dug down and the bulbs were gone and there were gopher holes all in the yard. Okay, I put down all of the chicken wire. It's hard to see. There you go. In this space. And I just cut it using this handy dandy big wire cutters. It's pretty easy. And now I'm going to put some of that chicken waste compost on it. This is my helper. Hi. You helping Mama? So I'm going to move all of this on top of the chicken wire. I wanted to show you guys one of the reasons that this is working so well for us is all of this hay and chicken manure is decomposing, and we use the deep litter method, which is basically, you know, cleaning up big piles of manure but piling or layering on top of each other. And so we have a good probably 3 inches of compressed manure and straw on top, which has given us a really great base underneath. There's worms in here, there's all the nutrients we need for our plants, and so I'm scraping up all of this wonderful manure, great for our beds, and I'm placing it all on here and spreading it out. And the dog says it smells delicious, like chicken poop. But I'm going to continue to put it all on here on top of the chicken wire and spread it all out. Okay, so I got a pretty good layer down of the chicken compost and kind of smoothed it all out. And over the next couple days or week or so, the area where I got it from is going to dry out a little bit, because right now the underneath layer is really wet and muddy. So after this dries out, and there's still a lot left, then I can rake it all up and add some more layers on top, make it a little deeper, and it's gonna work out great. I'm super excited. So we do have a lot to do and a lot of plans of what we'd like to do, and we're just excited to get going, and we hope you join us on our journey, and it's gonna be great. And we're going to be growing our own food and fruits and vegetables. And we're going to learn all about it, huh? We're going to teach the baby all about it. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.